So welcome everyone to today's crypto recap. Let's look at all the cryptocurrencies prices. All the cryptocurrencies were trading in negative territory. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. If we look at Bitcoin's chart, Bitcoin was seen breaking its support at 19,780 and it's now currently trading at 19,286. As we can see here, there was some encouraging levels of buying at 19,000 levels in Bitcoin, and currently it's trying to break its resistance at 90,780. As per previous instances of similar price action, we can predict probably 1 or 2 months of consolidation at these levels. The same thing happened in May 2022 when Bitcoin's price consolidated at 28,000 levels for you can see for whole month of May before plunging to new lows. So we can expect a consolidation for the month of July as well, and at the end of July we can see some price action. Here Bitcoin price is not looking to break its lows in a bearish move, neither is looking to go outright bullish mode. So this is a consolidation month, and considering that Bitcoin is not breaking these lows, we can be fairly sure of that. In other news, Three Arrows Capital files for bankruptcy. The firm borrowed large amount of funds from several crypto lenders including BlockFi, Celsius, Voyager. Now the firm is standing at a negative equity, meaning that all these lenders are set to lose their money given that Three Arrows Capital has filed for bankruptcy. As a chain reaction of this event, even these exchanges and these crypto lenders were forced to halt their withdrawals and needed credit lines to be able to function. BlockFi needed credit line of worth $250 million from FTX. Celsius had to halt their withdrawal proceedings. And in current news, Voyager has also suspended all trading, withdrawal and deposits because it simply doesn't have money to pay to its customers. And the shares of digital broker plunged more than 26% Friday. It had significant exposure to Three Arrows Capital, close to $300 million in Bitcoin and $350 million in USDC, so close to $500 million. There is no signs of these funds coming back. India's controversial crypto tax is haunting all the crypto exchanges and crypto traders as well. The country's 1% TDS is expected to kill all the trading activity. India declared that there will be a 30% tax on any gains from crypto transfers and 1% TDS on transfer of crypto assets. However, they also clarified that certain digital assets and NFTs will be given an exception. This exemption includes digital gift cards, these vouchers for purchasing goods and services, other kinds like giving mileage points, reward points, loyalty points, rebates. So suppose Amazon comes with a NFT that acts as a gift voucher for Amazon services, it can do so, and the same crypto tax provisions will not be attracted to Amazon. Also, NFTs for tangible assets like land records will also be excluded for all taxation purposes because RBI is looking to create a digital record of land and loans as well using the blockchain technology. The crypto exchanges have argued that the 1% TDS is too high, that on every transfer that happens on the exchange, irrespective of whether you are making a gain out of it or a loss out of it, whether you are filing tax returns or not, whether do you have an income or not, 1% TDS will be deducted from the transfer, and it is expected to kill trading volumes and increase the level of brain drain. That is, more and more people will now leave India to other crypto-friendly nations in order to work on their startups. And also, tax collection will be cumbersome because now all the crypto exchanges will have to include all these formalities, all these procedural formalities into their apps, into their websites, and all these tax compliances will also increase on their side. Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX said he would consider acquiring troubled crypto miners next. Well, even I see a great investment opportunity. It's a great time to be a crypto miner because all the current crypto miners are facing liquidity crisis because of the borrowed funds that they had generated on their mining rigs, and now they have to sell their mining rigs at discounted prices to service their borrowings. This is a byproduct of this Three Arrows Capital fiasco because of the default by Three Arrows Capital. Suddenly all the banks started to enforce their margin calls on the loans that they had already given. And these miners who didn't have the required cash at those times, and also the Bitcoin prices were plummeting like anything, now they had no choice than to oblige to the banks by selling their mining rigs. Miners are going insolvent every now and then. So even good crypto facilities are now available at discounted prices for an investor like Sam Bankman. And FTX is keen to acquire these type of mining companies. Meta, formerly Facebook, has now discontinued its payments wallet Novi Crypto along with Libra Saga, its stablecoin experiment. It was a pilot project, and Meta has asked all its users to withdraw their funds from these projects as soon as possible, citing that regulatory pressures has forced their project to change its course. However, they are leveraging this experience spent on building capabilities for these projects on building their metaverse universe and digital collectibles. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to us and like this video and share it to more and more people whom you want to be educated about the crypto market.